Today I'm going to make garlicky chicken wings. The recipe will be on the side and also be at pouchfriendly.com, and the link will be posted on the side too. Enjoy. The ingredients for garlicky chicken wings, I'm actually using chicken thighs for this. It's got about 2 pounds. Butter or margarine, salt, olive oil, garlic, and crushed red pepper flake. A couple tablespoons of butter with a couple tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm just going to let that melt, and when it does, I'll show you the next step. And sprinkle the chicken with some salt. See, I tried to cut them up in about the same size pieces so that they'll cook about the same time. And I tried to trim it all up as much as I could of the fat. Now the butter and olive oil has melted. You can see the butter starting to brown, so that's a really good sign. I'll go ahead and put the chicken in. I'm going to keep stirring this and flipping the chicken over, letting it get brown. It's going to be about 10 minutes or so. And then we're going to add the garlic and red pepper flakes. The chicken's cooked for about 10 minutes. I'm going to add 6 cloves-ish of garlic. Smells good. Incidentally, I wouldn't recommend this for new post-op patients because it's not very juicy. And a lot of times chicken in general, proteins in general, have a hard time going down, especially if they're not juicy. So you know where you're at as far as how you can eat chicken and how it sets on your pouch. So, but for the new post-ops, I wouldn't recommend it just yet. Alright. The recipe calls for a 1/4 tablespoon or teaspoon, but you guys know how AJ and I like our spice, so I did about a tablespoon or so of the red pepper flakes. I've got my oven preheated to 425. I have a cookie sheet preheated, or excuse me, sprayed. I'll spread it all out here. And this is going to go in an oven 425 for about 20-25 minutes ish. I haven't made it with thighs before, so the recipe does call for wings. I'm going to check it in about 15 minutes and see how they look. Okay, I just took the thighs out of the oven. They cooked for about 14 minutes. You can see they're nice and golden. And there we have it.